Possum, this random info chick here with a tip to make sure that you never have to set aside a big chunk of time to go through your closet or your drawers to donate stuff. Well, you're gonna have to do that once, but after that, never again. So the solution is, as you purchase a clothing item, you go into your closet and you have a donation bag in there at all times, and you toss one clothing item into that bag. Okay, you do this with a pair of shoes. You buy a pair of shoes, if you buy a purse, really if you buy almost anything, even toiletries in some cases. I know people who are buying more toiletries, they no longer use the ones that they have, but they still have them. There are a lot of people who could really use these toiletries. So put that in your donation bag too. So the solution, by the way, when you're running out of hanger space for your clothes that you're buying is not to buy more of these, okay? Just remember that more of these is part of the problem. It is not part of the solution. Same with buying more bins or storage boxes or drawer stacks. All that is contributing to the problem, not the solution. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on the red button below and subscribe. It's free. I don't want you to miss my video on what is responsible for injuring or killing 50 children a week in America, and what you can do to make sure that no child you know suffers this same peril.